There's a new department in town, one that will provide a much-needed service for Akwesasne. The Saint Regis Mohawk Tribe is now offering legal aid for community members. PJ Herne, an attorney with the Legal Aid Society of Northeastern New York, is available to help with general legal questions.
I was fortunate enough to be asked if I had any long-term projects that I would like to see worked on. And so I had mentioned right off the get-go that I would like to see legal aid services here in Akwesasne. We're sponsored actually by a tribal grant. The tribe was able to step up with a contribution made to the Legal Aid Society of Northeastern New York that worked out to being able to support 2 days a week here at the tribe offering legal aid services. One of the issues we talked about was trying to identify the need that's out there for legal services for community members. And I think with any government, you want to be able to provide services that members need.
The Legal Aid Society of Northeastern New York is a nonprofit organization that stands by the idea of equal justice under the law, and their mission is to provide legal assistance to those who otherwise could not afford it.
There's a certain amount of stress when you receive any type of legal documents. I think offering a service like this can really de-stress the life for some people, especially low-income people, and especially if we, take up representation of their matter. But there would be no cost. There's no cost whatsoever.
Basic services and consultations are provided by Herne, and steps can be taken should additional legal work be needed.
If the services needed to be, let's say, elevated or more services are needed, let's say actual representation, the way we're structured right now is we would try to get them into services offered through legal aid to see if they're eligible under the criteria under those programs. For full representation, we would try to obviously get one of the grants that legal aid does work with to get them qualified. And by qualified, the general real parameter is an income test, because legal aid is obviously geared for low-income people. I could tell that there was a need for this type of service. Even when I was in private practice, I could see that there was a need for a service like this, and obviously we hope to help people and make a difference.